everyone. Welcome to Healthy Lifestyle Tips, a channel dedicated to providing you with insights on how to live a healthy and fulfilling life. In today's video, we'll be discussing the topic of how sperms are created. Spermatogenesis is a continuous process that occurs throughout a male's life, beginning at puberty and continuing into old age. However, the rate of sperm production decreases with age, and the quality of the sperm may also decrease. There are several factors that can affect sperm production, including lifestyle habits, health conditions, and environmental factors. Let's explore some of these factors in more detail. Lifestyle habits such as smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and drug use can all have a negative impact on sperm production. Studies have shown that smoking can decrease sperm count, motility, and morphology. Excessive alcohol consumption can also reduce sperm count and motility, while drug use can disrupt hormone levels and impair sperm production. Maintaining a healthy diet and regular exercise can have a positive impact on overall health and wellness, including sperm production and quality. In order to produce healthy and functional sperm, the body requires a variety of essential nutrients. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can provide these nutrients, including vitamin C, zinc, and folate. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is an antioxidant that helps protect sperm from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. It also plays a role in the production of collagen, a protein that provides structure to the testes and epididymis. Zinc is another important nutrient for healthy sperm development, as it plays a role in DNA synthesis and cell division. It's also necessary for the proper function of the male reproductive system. Folate, also known as folic acid, is important for the production of healthy sperm cells and may also reduce the risk of chromosomal abnormalities. In addition to a healthy diet, regular exercise can also improve sperm production and quality. Exercise helps improve overall health and hormone levels, which can positively impact sperm production. Regular exercise can also help reduce stress, which can negatively impact fertility. However, it's important to note that excessive exercise or overtraining can have a negative impact on fertility, so it's important to find a balance and not push the body too hard. Certain health conditions can also affect sperm production. Varicocele, a condition in which the veins in the scrotum become enlarged, can decrease sperm count and motility. Infections such as sexually transmitted infections, STIs, can also affect sperm production. It's important to maintain regular checkups with a healthcare provider to monitor any potential health issues that may affect fertility. Environmental factors such as exposure to chemicals and toxins can also impact sperm production. Prolonged exposure to pesticides, heavy metals, and industrial chemicals can decrease sperm count and motility. It's important to take precautions when working in environments where exposure to these chemicals is common. Genetics is a crucial factor in determining sperm production and fertility. Some genetic conditions can affect the development and function of the testes, leading to decreased sperm production and fertility. Klinefelter syndrome is a genetic condition that affects approximately 1 in 500,000 males. It is caused by an extra X chromosome, resulting in a karyotype of XXY instead of the normal XY karyotype. This condition can affect the development of the testes and result in decreased testosterone production and sperm count. Men with Klinefelter syndrome may also experience other symptoms, such as gynecomastia, enlarged breast tissue, and reduced facial and body hair. Another genetic condition that can affect sperm production is Y chromosome microdeletions. The Y chromosome contains genes that are essential for male development, including genes involved in testicular development and sperm production. Microdeletions of the Y chromosome can result in the loss of these critical genes, leading to reduced sperm production and fertility. Other genetic conditions that can affect sperm production include cystic fibrosis and hemochromatosis. Cystic fibrosis is a genetic disorder that affects the production and secretion of mucus in the lungs, pancreas, and other organs. Men with cystic fibrosis may also have abnormalities in the development and function of the vas deferens, which can lead to reduced sperm count and fertility. Hemochromatosis is a genetic disorder that results in the accumulation of iron in the body. This condition can affect the function of the testes and result in reduced sperm production. It's important to note that not all genetic conditions that affect sperm production and fertility are inherited. Some genetic mutations can occur spontaneously during fetal development or later in life and can affect sperm production. These mutations can result in conditions such as azoospermia, a condition in which no sperm are present in the ejaculate. In conclusion, the process of sperm production is a complex and delicate process that can be influenced by a variety of factors. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, monitoring health conditions, and avoiding exposure to toxins can all help improve sperm production and fertility. Understanding how sperms are created can help us appreciate the importance of taking care of our reproductive health. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more healthy lifestyle tips.